Morning everyone, hope everyone's had a really good week so far. So the boat building news roundup for this week, Twisted Marine, sister company to North Yorkshire-based Twisted Automotive, is acquiring Brighton-based marine engineering business West Marine Services Limited. So West Marine is an authorised dealer for Volvo Penta, Mercury Marine and Yanmar, and the business will strengthen Twisted Marine's dealership links to support customers across the whole of the South Coast. So West Marine, which turns over circa £700,000 a year and provides powerboat service, repair and supply services, will join the Twisted Marine Group and continue to scale its operations as part of the larger business. So Twisted Marine says the acquisition will support its plans to grow its market presence in the marine sector and cement its growing reputation for building and enhancing powerboats. So Twisted Marine is headquartered in Salcombe but also has additional locations in Kensington, Silverstone, Austin and Dubai. And Swedish electric car maker Polestar will provide battery and charging systems for Candela's hydro-foiling boats in a deal that's going to enable Candela to scale up production swiftly, bringing mass-market electric boats one step closer to reality. So the two Swedish companies have called this deal a watershed moment for electrification at sea. And the deal lets Candela tap into state-of-the-art automotive battery technology and scale up production of its electric boats. So by combining Polestar's batteries with Candela's pioneering electric hydrofoil technology, both companies aim to propel the growth of sustainable electric mobility in society. So the deal between the two Swedish companies is an attempt to overcome the two major hurdles for electrifying boating. So the first hurdle being the massive energy consumption of conventional powerboat hulls, which so far has resulted in poorer performance of electric boats. And Candela says it's overcome this hurdle with its hydrofoil technology, which cuts energy usage of powerboats by up to 80%. And the second hurdle has been the high cost of marine batteries for electric boats. So in 2022, Candela is launching the Candela P8 Voyager taxi boat and the P12 shuttle electric ferry, which will bring the company's revolutionary electric hydrofoil technology to commercial vessels. And Candela's vessels use computer-guided hydrofoils, underwater wings that lift the hull above the surface, designed to help overcome the friction of the water. So flying above the water's surface at 30 knots, the Candela C8 and the P8 Voyager use up to 80% less energy than conventional boats of the same size, thanks to much reduced water friction. And the boat builder says the battery supply agreement is just the beginning of a broader intended partnership between Polestar and Candela, with both companies committed to exploring further opportunities for future collaboration. And Discover Boating, which is powered by National Marine Manufacturers Association and Marine Retailers Association of the Americas, has utilised the social media platform TikTok in an attempt to engage the next generation of boaters. So Discover Boating launched 2 pilot TikTok campaigns this summer, with influencers posting recipe and food videos and boat fashion videos to connect with the brand's target audience on a platform where they were already consuming content. So leveraging TikTok's popular food and fashion categories, Discover Boating selected influential content creators to show their favourite recipes and to bring aboard and showcase their best boating attire. And in less than 1 week following the campaign launch at the beginning of June, the TikTok campaign generated more than 3.5 million video views. And within 2 months, the campaigns earned 30 million video views, well above their goal of 27 million. And the average engagement rate for these posts was 13% and the highest was 24%, with similar brand campaigns usually averaging around 9 to 13% engagement rates. And NMMA says they'd rather than a traditional media buy, this strategic effort allowed Discover Boating to break through to consumers across a variety of demographics and interests and help tell the industry story through relevant influencers who encourage their engaged followers to get on the water and learn more at discoverboating.com. So I hope everyone's got a really great weekend planned, and I'll catch up with you next week.